Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Nestle Toll House chocolate chip cookies, but not a whole batch that you will sit around and eat all week, but this recipe only makes 2 cookies. So come on with me in this video and let's get started. Let's get this recipe started, and I'm gonna go ahead first and add my 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, I'll be adding 1 egg yolk and 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, I'll be adding 1 pinch of salt. And 1 pinch of baking soda. Now I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of flour. Got everything mixed up. All we gotta do is add the chocolate chips now. Alrighty, here we go. We got our chocolate cookie that makes only 2, all ready to go in the oven. And bam, just like that, I got 2 chocolate chip cookies all ready to go in the oven. So I'm putting them in the oven at 350 just until they're done, probably about 10-12 minutes. Okay guys, these cookies turned out absolutely amazing. Just what you want to see in a Nestle chocolate chip Toll House cookie. Alright, these cookies are done and they turned out absolutely perfect. I'm going to enjoy it in my mug of hot beverage. As you can see, it's still snowing out here in Alaska. So thanks for coming along with me in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love hearing from you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking.